Hi, I'm Tammy Allen, and welcome to the 2050 Club, a club for level 2 humans, people that are willing to put themselves out there, put themselves on the front line, not afraid to just jump in, dive in with everything that you've got. And then what happens? You get hit, right? You get hit, and we all do it, We end up, old habits, self-doubt, we hit the wall, people criticize us. Just it happens to all of us, especially those that are willing to put themselves beyond their boundaries. And I know that I'm speaking to you. I'm speaking to me. When we talk to ourselves, we're actually talking to everyone. So when I'm talking to you, I am also reminding myself. And, we just have to, for one thing, develop a thick skin. Recognize that criticism is nothing more than information that we can use instead of getting defensive at the person, which is our first response, mine especially. Instead of getting defensive right out of the gate, just take a breath, stop, and remember, information that I can use. Because once you process that information, you'll find that there's something there for you, some sort of nugget, either an old pattern that you haven't been looking at, and trust me, there are layers and layers and layers and layers of patterns, and we're constantly releasing them. There's an opportunity. It could be that you're not quite up to speed yet with whatever it is that you're doing, and some kind person has just pointed it out to you so that you can go back in and do a better job to help you achieve your final goal, so that you can be completely proud of whatever it is that you're doing. So, you really have to let go of all of the self-pity and blame and regret, because there's just no power. There's just no power in that. And, you got to be your own coach, like an elite coach, like a super coach. You have to talk talk yourself up. And I know that it might sound silly, but man, it works. It works. And it just keeps you in that up energy and vibration and keeps you moving forward. Because when you get depressed, you don't feel like doing anything. Knocks the wind, right out of your sails. And you know that you always figure it out. If you just get back on the horse, you're going to figure it out. And if you keep on going, you're going to get there. It really cannot be any other way. You have access to the information internet on the inside, the super consciousness. It is all there for you, but you can't block it with worry and fear and old patterns. And I know that we all do this, and we're all getting better at it, and we're all on our way. And what an amazing time this is for me, for you, and for our entire world. So I thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel, watch some of the other videos. We have 2050 Club members that are also creating videos, and also go to 2050club.com. We share lots of information for you, and of course there's music and just a very light-hearted type of atmosphere. So I hope you will join us, and I will see you next time.